I'm Kiffin.
And welcome back to Local 3 News at 11. It's another warm summer night across Upper Michigan, and we do have clean sweeps on our Local 3 radar network here across Upper Michigan and into the Northwoods of Wisconsin. I will say this, though, check out the mayflies, or sometimes what we call the June bugs, up here on the Bay of Green Bay here. Look at all those bugs just popping up here on the southern edge of the Bay of Green Bay. So definitely, you know, we are in some summer type weather with a warm southerly wind out ahead of a storm system across the northern high plains back into the Intermountain West here. You can see that we do have some rain showers and thunderstorms popping up over the Black Hills of South Dakota and into North Dakota. And as we widen out the view here and look at what's going on surface feature wise, high pressure that has been in control of our weather pretty much since the weekend has now moved off to the east. We're getting a return warmer southerly flow out ahead of it. That's why temperatures are on the very warm side. Off to the west on the left-hand corner of your TV screen, that's where we're looking at rain showers and thunderstorms out ahead of a storm system, out ahead of a cold front that's not looking to show up at least until Thursday night. Check out these warm temperatures being moved in by a warm southerly wind. We do have temperatures still at this 11 o'clock Eastern, 10 o'clock Central hour in the 60s and 70s, but with that warm southerly wind coming off the cooler waters of Lake Michigan, it's definitely cooling down Manistee. They are at 55. High temperatures today across the UP. 80s, some spots making it into the lower 90s, including 91 degrees at the Houghton County Airport. 65, though, a cool breeze coming off of Lake Michigan. Newberry getting to 76 degrees. Officially at the Weather Service as of 5 p.m. Eastern, 84 was today's high, 58 was today's low. Downtown Market at the U.S. Coast Guard, 80 was today's high, and 57 being today's low. Here's your current winds out of the south at 5 to 15 miles per hour with some occasional higher gusts along Lake Superior, and we could continue to see some gusty winds for tonight into tomorrow morning, especially along Lake Superior, western UP and Keweenaw Peninsula, potentially gusting at or over 20, maybe 25 miles per hour. We keep a warm breeze going for tomorrow afternoon, and then as we go into tomorrow night, into Thursday morning, once again, we're going to see that breeze potentially pick up the pace along Lake Superior, the western UP and Keweenaw Peninsula. All right, what's ahead here? It's a warm summer overnight with some wind for Upper Michigan away from Lake Michigan. Very warm for Wednesday and Thursday, and then we're looking at rain and storm chances as we go into possibly late Thursday night out west, but Friday and the weekend we will definitely have some rain and storm chances. Not much going on our Local 3 Futurecast through tonight, through the daytime on Wednesday, and then as we go into Thursday, we're sunny and very warm once again, but Thursday night we could have some thunderstorms approaching the western UP as we get into later on in the night. Temperature forecast for tonight, we're looking at low temperatures 50s. You can also see some 60s on this map closer to Lake Superior and also the western UP and Keweenaw Peninsula. And then as we go into Wednesday, another sunny day with some wind. High temperatures 80s to around 90, but it will be cooler here, as you can see along Lake Michigan. High temperatures only in the 70s, but a few spots could also be in the upper 80s to around the 90-degree mark. For Thursday, another very warm day, but this is going to be the last very warm day with sunshine. Look for high temperatures, generally 80s and 90s, but once again with a southerly breeze, that's going to mean Lake Michigan shoreline communities are going to be cooler and held back into the 70s. For Friday, that's when our rain and thunderstorm chances show up for Upper Michigan. Could see some out west Thursday night, but Friday's going to be our better chance. And then these rain and thunderstorm chances continue on into the weekend. Temperatures will be trending cooler, not jackets and hoodies weather, but temperatures definitely trending cooler for Saturday, Sunday, and also into early next week. Marine forecast for Wednesday, waves in most spots 1 to 2 feet, some spots approaching 3 feet or higher. Just be careful if you do have a kayak around Eagle Harbor, Copper Harbor, and also around Big Bay. Weather anytime. WJMN Local 3 app, online at upmatters.com and Facebook.